Okay, I got them all done. Now let's walk around here real quick. So you see how the snake goes. Up, down, up, down, up, down. There's my notes. Up, down, up, down. And then it winds up here, okay? It goes up, across, and this is the negative here. Oops. Yeah. This is the negative. You see how it's on the top of the solar cell? This is going to be your negative coming out. And over here is our positive. See how that works? This is the back. That's the positive. So we're going to start. We're going to run all the way down to the end here with this tabbing wire. Okay. We're going to, here's a quick way to do it, is hold it down with the soldering iron and grab your pointy thing and stop shaking. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's one. Okay. These panels are better than you would buy because of the construction technique. You can't buy panels this good. Well, you can, but you pay a lot of money for it. Okay, so here we go. This is our positive, okay? And we're going to run this bus bar all the way down. And what we can do is we can tape it. Shit, I put the tape inside. Damn! I'm running out of daylight. Anyway, this is going to go all the way down here. Probably want to loosen this one a little bit. A little bit kitty corner. There. Shit. Don't do any cold soldering joints. Oh, by the way, if you trade stocks, shit, check out Didi Amanda. Still not right. It moved. You see it move? Sometimes you have a hell of a time with one lousy joint. That's what the solder's for. It's actually soldered. Okay. Anyway, it's going to run down here, along here, and I don't have my tape with me, so I can't tape it. But you get the idea. I'm going to stop this video and start it again later. But anyway, this is your positive. This is where it starts. Okay?